Lunchboxes, don't ask. Field trip forms, okay. If I can even find them, let's be honest, I'm gonna frame them, okay. The last 2 weeks of school hit so different, am I right? It's like we're running a marathon with like no finish line in sight. If you're a working mom like me, trust me, mamas, I got you. So while I clean today, I'm walking you through the real life mom approved checklist to help us all survive the chaos and close the school year strong without losing our mind. Welcome back, your space for real talk, motivation, and all things motherhood, lifestyle, and life in motion. If you're new here, hi, I'm Britni. I'm mom of 3 boys and your go-to for navigating this beautiful chaos. Down below for the and a good end of the year survival checklist for moms for free down in the description box below. So let's jump right into it. Checklist item number 1 is school paperwork. Am I right? Like, find the folder, mama. You know, the one with crumble permission slips, the final reports, and the fundraisers that we forgot. I make it a goal to kind of sit down one night this week and kind of knock everything out from like, with the pen in the hand, signing all the permission slips, the end of the year, the field days, the Kona ice, sending in the money, all the things, okay? So let's go ahead and do item number 2 is teacher gifts, like plain and simple teacher appreciation gifts. No shame in gift cards and handwritten notes. Honestly, teachers remember the thoughtfulness, not Pinterest perfection. Am I right? I know personally for me, I work in a school as a pediatric therapist, and just, a gift card for like coffee, because everybody runs on coffee. Grab a $10 gift card and let the kids draw a thank you note. Done. And it's heartfelt. Who and what teacher does not like that? All right, let's jump in. Checklist item number 3. Inventory the lunch gear, okay? Find the missing lunch box or even replace it. Don't, or you can, wait till the next fall. But if you're down to one bent spoon or mismatched Tupperware lid, you're not alone. Trust me, I have them too. This is the time I toss what is old or sticky or that's not fresh, and then we start fresh for the fall. I used to use these chores as a reset for me too. Like, sometimes wiping down a counter feels like wiping like a clean slate. Okay, moms carry a lot of invisible weight during the season, the scheduling, the snacks, the remembering everything. So give yourself a little bit of credit, okay? And if you can hear my kiddos in the background, I'm a mama boys, and trust me, it's never like a dull moment here. So here on my channel, it's a real life. What you see is what you get. Tip number 4, plan the last day outfit and photos. Don't forget the last minute pictures, okay? You don't have to go all out with the board and all that. Just a nice picture, and definitely make sure you snap that picture before school, okay? Not after. Item number 5 is confirm your summer childcare or camp. Get that out of the way and lock in the summer plans, okay? Item number 6, plan one family celebration. This is a extra tip, okay? Celebrate the finish line. Even if it's ice cream after school, it marks, a wild ride with something. Let your kids feel proud and let yourself feel proud too. You kept people fed, dressed, learning, and showing up. That's no small feat. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and drop your end of the year tip or your survival snack down below. If this video helped you breathe a little bit deeper, hit the like button and subscribe for more weekly mom life motivations. And tell me in the comments, what's your end of the school survival snack? I'll go first. Cold brew coffee and a granola bar that I did not pack. All right, guys, until next time, you're doing amazing.